This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shira Bhagavatula. Investor special in the heart of downtown Tampa. 1926 Classic Fixer, a.k.a. Certified Junker 982 square feet, 6,650 square feet lot, prime location. Looking for your next big project or teardown treasure? Say hello to this charming 1926 relic that's got more history than function. She's seen better days, okay, she's seen way better decades, but she's standing strong-ish in the heart of Tampa. The details. Roof, 2017. / electricity, working. / water, still flowing. / title, clean. / structure, maybe bring a contractor. Located just walking distance to downtown Tampa and a hop, skip, and a pothole from I-4 and I-275, this is an unbeatable location with serious upside. Your options: tear it down and build new. / rehab and flip. / collect it as your latest weird old house trophy. This is a once-in-a-century opportunity to own a slice of Tampa real estate history. Cash offers only. Must close fast. Motivated sellers. Whether you're a flipper, builder, or eccentric collector, this place is ready to tell its next story, with your name on the deed.